Hey guys, welcome to Scam. So we are back with another part of problems on HCF and LCM. So before moving on to the part 2 problems, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. In part first, we have dealt with the basics and now we will move on to some of the questions of HCF and LCM. I hope you all have watched part first and you know the basics, because if you know the basics only then you can solve the questions. So move on to questions. Let's find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case. So that means what we'll do is 91 subtract by 43, similarly for 183 by 91 and 183 by 43. So it is happening somewhat like you can see that 183 is being subtracted by 91, 91 by 43 and 43 by 183, like that. So HCF of 48, 92 and 140 is 4. That is your answer, option A. So because we have to calculate the greatest number that can divide three of them and that leaves the same remainder, so that's why we have subtracted it, and we can see that we get 4 if once we find out the HCF after subtracting that. So let's move on to another question. The HCF of two numbers is 23 and other two factors of their LCM are 13 and 14. So the larger of two numbers is, okay, so clearly the numbers are 23 into 13 and 23 into 14. Why? Because HCF of the two numbers is this and two factors of their LCMs are this. So what we'll do, we'll just take it as 23 into 13 and 23 into 14. Now the larger number is obviously 23 into 14. As you can see, after multiplication the answer that you will get is 23 into 14 will be the larger. Moving on. 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at an interval of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 seconds respectively. In 30 minutes, how many times do they toll together? So what we'll do is we'll calculate the LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. That is 120, as you can see already. And so the bell will toll together after every 120 seconds, that is 2 minutes. So we have to calculate for 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes they will toll together is 30 by 2 plus 1 times, so that is 16. So your answer is option D, that is 16. Let n be the greatest number that will divide 13, 05, 46, 65 and 69, 05, leaving the same remainder in each case. So just like the first question that we did, we'll subtract it like this again. So this minus this minus this and this minus that. So now you will calculate the HCF of all the three, that is 100 and 120. Now you can sum of the digits and we have to calculate. The next part of the question says sum of the digit in n is, and n we have considered the greatest number. So what you will do is you will simply multiply all the digits of this number and you will get the answer as 4. That is your option A. So the answer is 4. The greatest number of 4 digits which is divisible by 15, 25, 40 and 75 is, okay, so we know that the greatest number of 4 digits can be 9999. So we'll calculate the LCM of 15, 25, 40 and 75 which are given in question, that is 600. So we'll divide 9999 by 600. We get the remainder as 399. So the required number would be 999 minus 399, that is 9600. Now I know that question must be striking your mind that why we have divided and then why we have subtracted. Well, the question says that we have to calculate the greatest number which is divisible by all the 4 of them, okay? And we know that this is the LCM of all the 4. Right, so that's why we divide this by 9999 and then once we get the remainder, so we subtract the remainder from the greatest number to know that what is the exact number. The product of two numbers is 4107. If the HCF of these numbers is 37, then we have to calculate the greater number. So let the numbers be 37A and 37B. And once you multiply both of them, so you get this number because this is the product of that two numbers, right? So you can calculate that AB is equals to 3. So now co-primes with product 3 are 1 and 3. So the required numbers are 37 into 1, 37 into 3. So that is 37 and 111. So one number is 37 we know, and the other number is 101. That is your option C. Three numbers are in the ratio 3, 4 and 5, and their LCM is 2400. So we have to calculate the HCF. So you can write 3, 4 and 5 ratios as 3x, 4x and 5x. Their LCM is 60x. You can calculate that, and 60x equals to 2400, so you get x equals to 40. So now you can easily calculate the numbers, that is 3x, 4x and 5x by multiplying the x in that, and you can get that HCF is 40. That is your option A. The GCD of 1.08 and 0.36 and 0.9 is 0.03, 0.9 and 0.18. These are your options. Okay, so GCD is greatest common divisor, that is your HCF, So given numbers are 1.08, 0.36 and 0.90. HCF you can calculate as 18 it would be, so HCF of the given numbers is 0.18. That is your option C you have as answer. So this is all about the problems on HCF and LCM. These are the all type of questions that you can face in any aptitude exam regarding the topic of HCF and LCM. The question provided on screen is a homework problem for you guys. Solve it and leave the answer in the comment section. Plus let us know about your queries, and if you want any specific topic to be covered first, that we can cover that topic also, that also you let us know in our comment section. I hope you are clear with the questions and the solutions, but you need to know the basics first, so watch the part first and then part second. In each last part of the video or last part of the topic, there is a tutorial sheet that is provided in the description. Solve the tutorial sheet and let us know about your queries. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.